Let's take a look at the controls. First up is gain, which allows us to boost or cut some of the signals before getting it to the limiter. The point of the limiter, as we said, is to get our final levels as loud as possible without clipping. So if our master is not reaching a loud enough signal, we can add gain, or if we were too loud, we can take some away, which isn't as common as adding since the mix should have left us a few decibels to work with. The ceiling is the top level the sound will reach and won't go past that. So anything that would be above that level will be pushed down to that level. Generally, we don't want to go all the way up to 0, just in case a few level spikes get past the limiter. It's always good to leave a very small amount, around -0.3, and that's where it defaults to. This meter here is gain reduction. Just like we saw on the compressor, this shows the decibels that are being reduced to get our specified level. Generally between 2 to 3 decibel gain reduction is good. Depending on the genre, some are louder or softer. Dance music is known to push the levels really hard to get a loud sound.